You take his normal collar, just clip it on here. And you come around here like this. Okay, now you've created a suitcase handle, okay? So just like Ferris at the very beginning, there's no difference here. So you're gonna ask the dog to place, whoa, followed by the whoa command, okay? All this is gonna do is give you a little bit of leverage if you have to pick him up. So he follows me, I pick him up and I put him back. So it's a little bit uncomfortable. I move forward. Wait for him to make the mistake. Whoa. Whoa. Good boy. I'm ready to release Bodie. I'll bring him back around. I'm going to ask him to place. Whoa. Keep him up on the ground, no sitting. Pressure off. Good boy. Bodie. Heel him around. Ask him to place. Whoa. Whoa. Bodie, good. Okay, your turn. Head up. Good. Beautiful. Go back, tell him, good boy, call it right there. Place. Whoa. So like I'm gonna allow her to move around because that pressure was great on her, but she's standing, so I'm gonna let her do that. It's her first time, obviously. Maisie. Place. Whoa. Right? Good. That's your best one so far. Now what I want you to do is I want you to release, real soft hands, get one good one, we'll call it good. Good. See, by you not having to give her pressure, is keeping her feet up. Perfect day one. Tap her out, call her name, she's good. That Suitcase handle took that dog to a different level. That doesn't mean they're all gonna do it, but she gets it. Whoa. So what happened is you pulled up when you told him to whoa, and you gave him pressure and he wasn't doing anything. So you keep it on the head, whoa. So what happened is you said whoa and you pulled up on him and he wasn't doing anything wrong. Good, good. Winston. So you see where my hand's at? I'm right above the collar, so there's no pressure on the waist yet. Place, whoa. Okay. Don't get me wrong, all the wiggles, all his fault. So when he felt it pinching him, all his fault. Comes off, goes back on. Whoa.